Design 1. Design 2. Design 3. Coloring. Double-sided thin tape. Stick the lining. Oh, this is so cute. Cut into strips. Join them together. For that, remove a bit tape from the end and stick. This is so long. I don't know what to call, but this can be a foam. Again, pull the end tape and stick on the roll. Oh no, I was going to cut that. Put that paper strip around the tape on, and fold the markings like this. Glue. Till it dries, let's have a recap. Cut. Strips. Join. Roll. This is fun. Done.